Hi. Hi, this is Malathi, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to know about the topic of HTML basics from the course Full Stack Web Technologies. Welcome to our video. This is an HTML introduction part. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language. It is a standard markup language. It is not a programming language. This markup language is used to create the structure content of the web pages on the World Wide Web. In this slide, we are going to know about the basics of HTML. It is developed by Tim Berners-Lee in the year of 1991. It is not just a programming language, it is a markup language which defines the structure and the layout of the web page content. That HTML document or plain text files which has the extension of .html. While we save the file, we use this extension to save the HTML document for creating the web pages. And this HTML pages are working on with the conjunctions like CSS and JavaScript. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheet, which is used for designing or styling the web content and web pages. And we are additionally adding the JavaScript for the functionality and the interactivity. What is the purpose of using HTML? HTML is used to create the skeleton of web pages, and at the same time it allows the browsers to interpret and display the contents like text, images, links and multimedia. We can see this with an example program of the upcoming slides. The structures content semantically we apply like inclusion of the headings, paragraphs and the list for better accessibility. And through the structure, hyperlinks also available between the pages and resources to access the contents. And it also provides the foundation for the web development. It is also essential for building the static web pages, and it is also known as cross-platform compatibility, which helps to work on all devices and browsers. Um, how can we apply this as in the real world use case? In our everyday day to life, we are using number of millions of billions of websites. That's also this HTML helps to powers the structures of billions of websites, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce sites. In this slide, we can see the basic structure of HTML. Can you see the HTML? We say this as tag. You can see the HTML within the arrow keys, that is called as tags. This is a HTML tag is called as root element, which wraps all content. And the head, in the head tag, it contains meta information like title, links to style sheets, which will be included of CSS, and the script, that is nothing but a JavaScript. On the title tag, we can see the page title shown in the browser tab, and the body tag holds all the visible contents of the web page. If we are going to close the tags, we can add before the HTML, we can add the slash with it. This is a simple example code. That's in the first line we can have the document type of HTML, that is an extension of saving the file document. Then we can open the tag of HTML. Then in the head, inclusion of title in the head tag, title as my first page. Then we close the head part, and the body In the body content we can have the content of the web page, like if you're going to add the paragraph or the headings or the links or button designing, css, javascript, everything will be added in the into the body tag. Then this is the thing, we are closing the body tag using the slash, and we are closing the html tag using the slash before the html part. This is an example program with the inclusion of links. That's first is document type. The language I chosen as English, which denoted as in the double quotation en. Then the head part, I added the title with the title tag, and I closed the head part. Then in the body tag, what are the contents if I want to add that presence over there, that is hello world. This is a simple HTML page that adds in the paragraph tag, which is denoted as P, and UL is called as unordered list. In the list I have the content like learn HTML and build website, that is list 1 and list 2. Then I closes the unordered list tag. We have a order list and the unordered list. If I have if I would have used the tag ordered list, the content will be visible in the order. If I used here I have used unordered list, it will not be visible in the ordered part. It can be denoted using the button or the dot part. Then I close the unordered list. Then I use the ahref, that is reference link. I have hyperlink, I have added it. Through the link I can access the resources. And image source, if I want to add the image in my website, I can get the through this link I can add this image. Then I closes the body part and the HTML part. It denotes that closes the program. Hope you have understood the part and the sample example program and also the basics of HTML. Thank you for watching the video.